then parents are being too ambitious and they're getting kids involved in too many things, do they turn out to be better in the long term? Like they have so many skills, they've learned so much, they joined 10 clubs, now they know chess, they know tennis, they know they were spelling bee champion, or someone who just took it easy. The kid did whatever they wanted to do, and the parents just did not get involved in their decisions.
Yeah. So I think like kids do need guidance, but then we want to let them have a choice. For instance, put them in soccer and basketball and chess, and they decide they don't like soccer and they like basketball and chess. Sure, take them to both. If they like it, if they want to do it. The question
Mhm.
is, do you want to do this? If it's a no, that's fine. Don't pressure them.
Yeah.
I had a parent bring a kid and they were Desi, so that this is very relevant. And the kid did not want to ride bike to school, and they have a bike day at school.
Oh
I don't
yeah.
understand that. Everyone rides their bicycle to school that day,
Yeah.
and I'm just like, this is so bizarre. I've never heard of anything like this. But fancy
Yeah.
schools, the kid just started crying that I don't want to ride my bicycle to school. And so
Mm.
come to know, they were just not good at it. They were not very coordinated, and they were going to fall, and that's what they were afraid of.
That's
So
good.
I
Yeah.
literally just told mom, don't just drop your kid at school. Why are you pressuring them?
Yeah.
Not everyone
Yeah.
knows how to ride a bicycle. Not everyone has to ride a bicycle. So let
True.
it go. Let them
Yeah.
do what they want to do. And eventually the kid like did a few things and decided on basketball, and they're fairly good at it. Giving kids the option, and then if you're ambitious and you're putting them into 10 clubs and you're driving them everywhere, they're not being able to have a childhood. Sure, they're going
Mm.
to develop a lot of skills and stuff like that, but are they actually having a childhood? So are they actually developing fully overall? I don't think so.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're just
And
over.
that true, true. With my kid, what I struggled with was I wanted him to play basketball because I used to play basketball and I could teach him at home, but he did not want to do it. He
Mhm.
wanted to play soccer. So he joined a soccer class and let the kid do what he wants to do. And then after a couple of years, he realized, oh, I don't want to do soccer. Now I want to do basketball. And all the kids who started basketball 2 years ago are way ahead of him now. And now he has to compete with them and catch up. And I feel like, why didn't you even listen to me in the first place? I told you are tall and you can do better in basketball. But you said, no, I want to play soccer, and see where we are at now after after 2 years.
Yeah, but that's okay because then
Yeah,
they get to learn, okay, we were behind, and that's okay.
yeah,
Like
that's
if
all
they're
right.
behind,
Yeah,
so what?
yeah,
If they're enjoying it, that's the more
yeah.
important